If you need to change the phone number linked to your Discord account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Whether you're updating an old number, switching to a new phone, or simply keeping your account information current, this is a quick fix you can do in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord guides. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Discord in your web browser. You can do this from any desktop browser by going to Discord Web and signing into your account. Once you're inside, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon for user settings. Click that to open your account settings. From the settings menu, select My Account. This is where Discord stores your profile information, email, password, and phone number. Once the My Account page loads, look for the phone number section. If your account already has a number connected, you'll see options related to it right there. Now, if you want to replace the number currently on the account, you can either remove the old phone number first or use the change option if it appears. Click remove phone number or change, depending on what Discord shows you. In some cases, Discord will ask you to enter your password before it lets you make changes. That's just a security step to make sure it's really you. If prompted, type in your password and confirm the removal. Once the old number is removed, you're ready to add the new one. Next, click Add Phone Number. A box will appear where you can enter your new phone number. Make sure you type it carefully and choose the correct country code if needed. After that, click Send Code. Discord will send a verification code to the new number you entered. Check your phone for the text message, then enter the code back into Discord. Once you've entered it, click Verify. If the code is correct, Discord will confirm the new phone number and link it to your account. And that's it. Your Discord account is now updated with your new phone number. This is a really useful process to know if you've changed carriers, got a new device, or just want to keep your account secure and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Discord how-to. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.